Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this, you're likely dealing with the frustrating Snapchat support code Ss07 error in 2025. This error usually pops up due to issues like poor internet, app glitches, or even server problems on Snapchat's end. Don't worry. I'm going to walk you through some simple, step-by-step fixes that have helped thousands of users get back to snapping in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, start by checking your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable and fast. Open a web browser and load a page to test it. If it's spotty, restart your router or switch networks. This is often the culprit for Ss07 errors. Next, update your Snapchat app. Head to your device's App Store, whether it's Google Play for Android or the App Store for iOS, and check for any available updates. Outdated apps can cause compatibility issues, especially with the latest features in 2025. Once updated, relaunch the app and see if the error persists. Now, let's clear out some digital dust. For Android users, go to Settings, Apps, Snapchat, Storage, Clear Cache and Clear Data. iPhone users can try offloading the app or resetting settings via the Settings app. This freshens up the app and fixes minor bugs. If that doesn't work, restart your device. Sometimes, a simple reboot can resolve temporary glitches. Hold down the power button, select Restart, and try logging into Snapchat again. Another effective step is to log out of your Snapchat account and log back in. Open the app, go to your profile, tap the settings gear, and scroll down to log out. Then, sign back in with your credentials. If you're still seeing Ss07, try reinstalling the app entirely. Uninstall Snapchat from your device, restart it, and then download and install the latest version from the App Store. This can eliminate any corrupted files causing the issue. Finally, check Snapchat's official status page or social media for any ongoing outages. Sometimes, the problem is on their end, and you'll just have to wait it out. There you have it. Easy fixes for the Snapchat Ss07 error in 2025. I hope this video helped you get back to sharing your stories and filters. If it did, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech troubleshooting tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.